All right, so whether you're drop shipping on somewhere like TikTok or Pinterest or wherever using a Shopify store and the link in your bio, or if you're drop shipping on TikTok shops directly on TikTok, what you do in the beginning is you need ads, obviously, if you're running ads, or at the very least, you need high quality videos so that you can run those videos to generate organic traffic, but the videos have to be good, right? And so one of the best things that you can do in the beginning is purchase video ads from companies like bandsofads.com here or Viral Ecom Ads. And for around $20 a video roughly, they can make you a high quality product video that can convert viewers into buyers, whether you're running it as an ad or you're running it as an organic video in between videos on your page. But for most people that are starting out, they don't really have a budget that they're willing to spend on videos like this. So how can you actually go ahead and make videos for free that are high quality, that will convert viewers into buyers, but that also don't cost you any money up front? Because if you were going to run 3 to 5 variations of this to test both organic or on ads, it's going to cost you like $100 to $200 to do that. Not even mentioning the amount spent that you'd have to run on ads, for example, to potentially test them, right? If you're running ads and not doing organic. So this is the solution to how you can create high quality videos for TikTok, for Pinterest, for Instagram Reels, wherever you're running these, organic or advertising wise, for free in like a minute or two, okay? So I'm gonna use Amazon because Amazon has millions of products, all with tons of reviews that have high quality product videos and product images that you can utilize to turn into a video, which you can then use to turn viewers on these platforms into customers, okay? So that's a big promise, right? But let me show you how you can actually do it. So what you wanna do is you wanna go down to ratings when you find a product that you wanna dropship. And obviously it goes without saying, you need to have a product that has a decent amount of ratings, so it has the potential to have a product review video, which is one of the places we can grab these videos or portions of them, or at the very least, it has to have a high quality video on the listing. There's 2 places where you'll find these videos. So for example, if there's no video on the actual listing here, and this one doesn't have a video, what you could do is you could go down to the ratings and see if there's any product review videos a lot like this one, right? So clearly this person's very happy with it. They're demonstrating in video format their experience and why they love it. And you could download this video instantly using a software called ZDrop. It's only $15 a month. I talk about it all the time in my own dropshipping business because it helps me copy products from marketplace to marketplace, website to website, marks the prices up automatically, right? But for this, it also allows you to download videos and download images instantly with a click of a button. Can't recommend it enough. It's always linked in the description if you want to grab it. So this is an example of a video that you could download and turn into a promo video to sell products on your TikTok page, for example, if you're dropshipping directly on a TikTok shop, or you could just post it on your page as, content that demonstrates the value. If, for example, you're doing like a home improvement page and you're trying to dropship this DeWalt thing, well, you could download that video and use it. Another place where you can find it is this little videos section. And oftentimes they won't be the exact product, but there'll be products related to it that do have videos, right? So for example, if you're running a home improvement page or something like that, and you wanted to drop ship this product, but for example, like this one doesn't have any review videos outside of this one. So if you didn't like this, what you could do, scroll up to the video section and see other related products that do have videos that you might want to utilize. And often I find a lot of high quality videos in this section here that you can then use on your page or to drop ship from your TikTok shop or wherever. So another place that you can find them is on the actual listing. So for example, this listing right here has a video on it. Now, this is not the best example of a video that demonstrates, what this product is and what it does, but let me play it for you here. So if this was like a better video and a better product, it's not, but I just want to use this as an example. Obviously, this has music. It's going through and kind of showing you exactly what the product is, how it's used. And so that's another place that you can grab videos from. But let's find, for example, this one not only has good review videos, but this one also has a good high quality video on the actual listing. So if I wanted to drop ship this pair of sunglasses from like a menswear page or something like that, I could download this video and use it on my own TikTok shop or my own page to run ads to a Shopify store or whatever, as long as I'm using this product. And so this is a great place where you can find videos for free, which you can then download, take them into an editing software and create TikTok ads or TikTok organic videos, which you can then utilize to sell your products over and over again. And this is the exact formula that I use. So for example, if I wanted to grab this, what I would do is I'd come up again using ZDrop, because you don't want to have to manually download all these product videos or all these review videos. So I would just come up, I'd click download video, and now I'd be able to download this video instantly. There it goes. Then what I could do is I could take that video into an editing editing software like Premiere Pro, for example. If you don't have Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, it's very, very easy to learn, and you don't actually need to pay for them. If you go to shotcut.org, so that's shotcut.org, let me show it to you, shotcut.org. This is a completely free editing software that anybody can use. You don't have to pay money to download it. You download it for free and do the same exact thing, obviously not with as many like bells and whistles, but you can still create high quality videos like this for free using Shotcut. You could also just download this video and take it into TikTok and do it there as well. So if we upload this video into Premiere Pro, just to show you an example, what we do is we drag it into the timeline, we'd resize it, you go to sequence settings, and then you just want to change the frame size to 1080 by 1920, so that you get that vertical frame for a TikTok video or an Instagram Reels video or whatever, right? And now we have the video in here, and we can just drag it out so that it fits the actual frame. And now we're gonna go through and edit this video slightly to make it a TikTok video. Another way, if you don't really wanna do that, is you could just drag it out so that it's like in the middle here, and then put like text in TikTok or text in YouTube Shorts or text in Instagram on the top in black here, saying like, for a limited time, there's 50% off in the description, or some kind of hook in bubble letters like you see on TikTok videos to kind of take up that space, but also let them know that there's a deal in there. Or for example, if I was running this product on my TikTok shop, right, and this was like an organic promo video, what I would then do is I might leave this black. I might do a variation of both, right? I might do a vertical one, and then I might also do one like this that's in this format with just like some text right here that has like a red arrow to the actual product link here, because on a TikTok shop, your product link is going to be right here about. So both of those work. You can test both of them and see what kind of converts better for you. But let's say that we wanted to go the harder route. Let's drag this out, and we're going to edit this video. We're gonna get him walking there in the beginning. And you don't really need to know much about editing to do this, because the videos are already pretty much shot a lot of the times. And even if they're not as high quality, sometimes those videos even convert better because they look more authentic, like it's somebody that's just reviewing the product. And so customers oftentimes might even trust those videos more than some of the higher production quality videos like this one that's already clearly been created for this product to sell on the listing. So we're gonna take this, and as soon as it switches over to like that brand, we don't want that in our video. So we'll skip through until it's done. There we go. Delete that out. See the video just displaying the product. Pretty good job of it, in my opinion. And there we go. So that's like a 26-second long video that kind of has him displaying the product that we can then use to sell organically to our TikTok page from a TikTok shop and a product link directly. Or we could even use this and run it as an ad to like our Shopify store, for example, if we wanted to go that route. And this didn't take me very long at all. It literally took me like a minute to download and resize it. And then I could export this, upload it to TikTok, and bam, there's an ad video in like a minute, completely free for this product. In an ideal world, I'd spend a little bit more time on this, right? And like I might go, cut some of these frames out and like make sure that the product is like the main focus in the middle of the frame by like just dragging it over a little bit. So like, for example, this is a little bit off center. I might come back to like this, cut it there, drag him over to the middle, just so that the glasses are like the main focus, since that's what we're selling, right? And there we go. Now the glasses are the main focus in every frame. Obviously, I would do that the entire video in a perfect world, but I don't want to waste your time. So that's how you can do that. And you could do this using so many different listings. Like, for example, if we scroll down, let's find one more example just to show you that that wasn't like an aberration that I planned. Let's check this product right here. It's got 10,000 ratings. So there's a high likelihood that it either has a high quality product listing video, because whoever's selling this is doing well. So they probably invested a lot more money and a lot more time into creating the product listing better. So there we go. Perfect example of another video on the listing that we could probably utilize to drop ship this one. It's not as good because it's not as like lifestyle-y, but it's still a video that you could potentially test and run. Or we could scroll down to the reviews, and you can see the videos for this product right here. All these high quality videos from these people that are reviewing this exact product right here. So if we created like an ad or another video based on the product listing, we could also download every single one of these videos and run them on our TikTok page completely free. Maybe just put some catchy or trending music on top of them and make them an ad. There's what, 5-6 videos videos here that we can use completely free, just downloading them off of Amazon. Now, if we came down to the customer images, you want to see if there's any review videos here. It doesn't appear that there are. So there's no review videos from here, but on the page there are videos, as you can see. And these are probably just videos from people on YouTube that have tagged this product specifically on Amazon or another social media. And this one looks like it's already formatted vertically, so you could download that one. This one isn't, but again, you could just do the same exact thing. And so Amazon is a great place where you can find high quality videos to turn into ads or organic videos to sell your products and turn viewers into customers. Now, I am not the best editor in the world, but I can do this, and I've proven this concept that it works and can convert these people to buying from your TikTok shop or even running this as an ad to a Shopify product, like I said. So here's exactly what the final video would look like if I were to post it to my TikTok page.